Hello, happy greetings. Today we are going to do sums on triangles and its properties. So in this first concept, angle sum property of a triangle. The topic is angle sum property of a triangle. Now let's see what is angle sum property of a triangle. The angle sum property of a triangle says that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. When you add all these angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. Now let's see how it is. Now angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now you can see that angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 lie in a same straight line. We all know that angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So we can prove that sum of all the three angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Now look at this question. You have given a triangle with these three angles and you are asked to find the value of x. Now we know that in a triangle, sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now use this property to solve this question. So angle sum property says that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now what is angle A? 5x minus 60. What is angle B? 2x plus 40. And what is angle C? 3x minus 80. Just substitute angle A, angle B, angle C in this so that the sum is equal to 180. Now we all know that how to solve an algebraic expression. The like terms can be added together. Now you can see that 5x, 2x and 3x are like terms. So you group the like terms together and the numbers together. Now 5x plus 2x plus 3x. How it need to be added? Only the coefficient of the term will be added. So 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 10x. Now minus 60 plus 40. Use the integer rule. Different sign subtract. So when you subtract 60 and 40, you will be getting minus 20, minus 80. And then 10x minus 100 is equal to 180. Now it's a simple linear equation. Just transpose this 100 to right hand side. 10x is equal to 180 plus 100. So during transposition, the minus 100 will go as plus 100. Now 10x is equal to 280. Now value of x is equal to 280 by 10, which is equal to 28. Thank you.